You're watching Filter Kaapi. My name is Sudhir. Now, this is an important development and pertains specifically to the UGC case. Now, the University Grants Commission has been insisting all along in the Supreme Court that all final year university exams must be conducted. Now, it's also important, this particular development is also important in the context of the petitions seeking postponement of both the JEE and NEET, because only yesterday, Union Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal had said that his ministry would seek the advice of both the Home and the Health Ministries, right? So what has happened today is that the Home Ministry has told the Supreme Court in the context of the UGC case that it has granted permission for exams to be conducted amid the COVID-19 pandemic in view of the academic interests of a large number of students. Now, once again, let me clarify that this is in the context of the UGC case, but it could well have a bearing on other examination related cases as well, because if this is the advice given by the Home Ministry to the HRD or the Education Ministry that exams can be conducted in the larger interests of the students, quote unquote, the same would obviously apply in the context of other entrance examinations as well. Obviously, the Home Ministry cannot say this examination can be conducted, this examination cannot be conducted. Okay. Now, it also points out, the affidavit by the MHA, the Ministry of Home Affairs, also points out that the standard operating procedures were approved by the Union Health Ministry, which means what Dr. Nishank said yesterday, that advice had been sought from both the Home and the Health Ministries, both of them finding mention in this particular affidavit. Now, why was the Home Ministry's affidavit sought in the first place? That's because the UGC had questioned the authority of the Maharashtra and the Delhi government to cancel the exams. The Solicitor General, in fact, went to the extent of saying that if no exams are held, no degrees would be awarded. And I quote from the affidavit. It says that taking into consideration the academic interests of a large number of students, it was decided to grant exemption for the opening of the educational institutions for the purpose of holding examinations or evaluation work for final term exams of the universities at the institutions. Basically to say that while all educational institutions are shut till the 31st of August, the opening of these educational institutions can be permitted for the limited purpose of conducting these examinations, and the center has gone to the extent of invoking the National Disaster Management Act of 2005 in order to grant this exemption to the Education Ministry and the UGC. Now, we'll have to see what impact this MHA affidavit has even on the case when it comes up for hearing in the Supreme Court relating to the petition seeking the postponement of both JEE and NEET. So watch this space for more for all the reliable and accurate and fact-based news from the world of education. Thank you very much for watching.